slow. Whenever you're ready, Alfred. Keep it up, guys. Remember, keep it slow. That looks fairly easy to me. So, over the way here, yeah, those two in the end. Now face the judges. You have to impress the judges, not each other.